Hello everyone. Recently I have made a video about how to save airport parking time by tracking an aircraft's landing time, and this video will be about how I edited that video. I hope you will enjoy. I am currently on KineMaster as usual, and I now will click the recording button, and then I will record another voice recording. After doing the voice recording, I wanted to press the play button to see what else is there on my clip to describe to my viewers. If you are confused by this, make sure to watch my latest video about airport parking. Now I am making another voice recording, which is quite long. Now I'm pressing the play button again to see what I will say and describe to my viewers. I press the record button again and I make another voice recording. This is after I make my mind up about what I'm going to say. Because I thought this video clip was originally too long, I sped it up to save time and storage space. I am now making another voice recording. I redid it because I thought what I said did not sound clear enough to my viewers. Now I press the play button and I review some more video clips and I wonder what I'm going to say. I am now making another voice recording and I will now describe what's on the screen to my viewers. What we are doing here is that we are tracking the app and checking in real time to see if it was the correct plane. After playing the video and checking which plane it was, I am now going to make another voice recording about the plane I have highlighted. Because I thought the voice recording I have just done wasn't good enough, I restarted it and made another one. Now I will click on the video strip and I will select the speed, and then I'll make another voice recording. And once again, because I thought the original voice recording wasn't good, I kept redoing it. Now I've pressed the play button and something I'll say to my viewers. I pressed record again and then I made a voice recording saying how this was the accurate plane. As you can see, I kept redoing it because I wasn't proud of it. Now, for my next video clip, I am also making a voice recording, but I am doing it again because I was unsure of it. I'm doing the same voice recording, I pressed the play button and to see what I could say to my viewers. I clicked on the video strip to lower the volume by pressing the volume envelope, and then I dragged it down to 10% at the end. Now I will make my video strip longer so my voice recording won't overlap too much with the recording of the plane. I clicked on the record button and now I'm making another one, but I'm also redoing it by doing it again and again because I wasn't sure for other times. Now I am swiping through the video clip to see when's a good time to start recording. I have found a good place and now I'm recording. Now I'm making another voice recording for my last navigator clip. Now it's time for my second voice recording. I am recording my voice explaining what's going on in the video, but then again I am not proud of it and I am not satisfied with it, so I will be doing it again and again, as you can see in this clip. Now for the last bit, I will put a thank you for watching speech. Now I'm on a new app called Pixlr, and I will be selecting the photo I will be using as my thumbnail for the video. So now I press the text layer, which is a T, and then I write my text. After doing my text, there are some options on the top of the screen, such as the fill button, the font button, the size button, the format, and the styles. I will click size and then I will drag the circle to make it my desired size. Then I will click the font button and I'll pick another font. Now after that, I will press styles and I'll add a shadow and I'll make the color black, and then I'll make the opacity to the right so then the shadow can be more visible. Now I'm adding another text and I will do the same things, apart from I will change the font to Arial and I'll make the size smaller because it won't fit in the screen. Now I will press size because I think it is a bit too small, and then I will press styles to add the shadow. Now I will screenshot this so I can go on Ibis Paint X and add another text because I have decided to use the text on Ibis Paint X. Now I'm on Ibis Paint X and I'll press the layers button, and then I will press the square button with a plus, which is to add something from your photo library. Now I will press the text option and I will write on it. I am now writing Heathrow Airport, London, to show my viewers the location of where I'm recording the planes. And then after this, I press size and style to change the color and the size of my text. Thank you for watching our video.